Personally, I've been looking for more natural products to use, just with the concern for the environment and concern about money. All around, it just seems like a better option. So HighOh products are eco-friendly, free of toxins, recyclable, cruelty-free, and they're super easy to take care of, which is also very important. I didn't want to have to like go through a whole process to be able to reuse these pads. Here is one that I haven't used. They're super soft. That was the first thing that I noticed when I took them out of the package. But they're natural, they're better for you overall, they're better for our world. What's really cool is that when you're done, you just fold it like that, and then you use the buttons to snap it shut. Oh, and I dropped it. And it also comes with this wet-proof bag so that when you're done, you can just stick it in and be on your way. I was actually really happy with how these turned out when I used them. I was a little bit worried because I have a super heavy flow and I was so scared about leaks. And I had none, which is basically unheard of for me. They were also super comfortable. I hardly noticed that they were there, which is also super unheard of for me. And they lasted a long time. I was a little bit worried the first day, so when I went to check to see if I needed to change it, I was so surprised by how well they were holding the flow. It was crazy. Let me just tell you, I was not expecting it. When you're done, just rinse them to make sure you get any excess stuff off, and then you can put them in the washing machine and into the dryer. It's that easy. And I immediately prefer these to traditional pads that you buy at a store, disposable pads. I immediately think these are better. Comfortable, soft, long-lasting, better for you, better for the environment. If you are someone who has a menstrual cycle, I definitely recommend HighOh products. And stay beautiful, you people. Bye!